Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to convert an image into text using Google Docs. It's very easy to do. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this video. So here I am. I have several images in my Google Drive. And look at this example. We're going to take example of this image. This image has a lot of text on it. Look at this. What if I wanted to extract this text? And if you are a social media consultant or manager, you may run into this situation a lot where clients send you images and there's a lot of text and you want to extract that text. This is how you can, using your Google Drive. So step number one is going to be add your image to your Google Drive. And then here I am on my Google Drive. And as an example, we're going to extract or convert this image into text. Now, it's a free OCR service from Google inside their Google Drive, and very straightforward. So what you want to do is, so step number one is upload your image to the Google Drive, and then go to your Google Drive, drive.google.com, go to that image, and this is how we're going to convert it or extract the text from that image. So basically you're going to go to open with and then click on Google Docs. So right click on the image, open with, and then Google Docs, and it's going to do its magic. And then you'll see in just few seconds, there we go. So Google is reading the image and their OCR service is converting that text on the image into text that we can use. So if you scroll down, look at this. So this is the exact text on that image. How cool, simple, and free. You don't have to pay for any tool. So you can read text or extract text from any image, or I believe like PDF files as well. It's very easy to do. Now, if you, for some reason, most people these days, they do have Gmail and Google Drive, but let's say if you don't, then what do, right? So I'm going to show you another method. So this was extracting or reading text using Google Drive or Google Docs. I'm going to share another method, second method with you. So for that, we're going to use this website called OCR Space. So here's the URL, ocr.space. And then basically, you're going to upload image, and it could be PNG, JPEG, and these PDF too. So PDF you can extract as well. So let's choose a file. So I'm going to go to my hard disk and let's pick this file, and there's a lot of text on this. Open this and you can look at these settings, make sure you have the right language. And by the way, with this tool, you can also paste the URL of your image. So if you don't have that image on your computer, you can use the URL from web. Now, if you scroll down, so look at this, the image is uploaded. Now I am gonna click on Start OCR Process, and boom, look at this. So here is the text that I can copy and then use it anywhere that I want. And you know, this is really handy for me. I get a lot of, I work with a lot of different clients, and sometimes they send me image files or PNG files or PDF files, and I want to use some of the text from those files. But it's really hard to kind of look at the image and then type. Using these tools, the OCR free tool inside the Google Drive and also the OCR Space tool, you can extract that text from any image for free in like a matter of seconds, right? So if you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave those questions in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.